take a bite. Oh, man, oh man. Those are so freaking good. Oh, you're going to want to make these. Hi there, grocery ninjas. Welcome back to the kitchen. If this is your first time here, you're most welcome. Today we're making desserts, 2 in fact, and the star of the show, leftover potato chips. I know, is there really even such a thing as leftover potato chips? In my case, it's a rarity because my husband loves potato chips and usually finishes the bag. However, we've got 3 cups here and we're going to use them to make 2 separate desserts. Ready? Let's go. The first recipe is potato chip cookies, and it starts with a cup of butter, which I've just put in the bowl. Next, 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 egg, and a splash of vanilla. Whisk this all together. Next, we're going to do 1 3/4 cups of flour, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Mix this together. And next we're going to add in 1 cup of ruffled plain potato chips. I just washed my hands, so they're clean, and I'm going to incorporate the chips into the cookie dough with my hands. It's really an easy way to do it. Just transferring it to a smaller bowl so it will fit in the fridge. And this is going to chill for half an hour. Big chunky cookies. I have never made these before. That made 9 very large cookie dough balls. We'll see how much they spread. I hope they don't. Those look really, really good. I'm just going to let them cool on the pan. The cookies are cool. Let's give them a taste test. But before we do, look at that. That is beautiful. Golden on the bottom. You can see the little bits of potato chips in there. They're soft, but the bits of potato chip add some crunch. The butter, brown sugar, sweet but salty. If you like this combination, you are going to love these cookies. Very, very good cookies. Gonna have to make these ones again. Winner! We're gonna make chocolate potato chip clusters. So, the leftover Ruffles, 2 cups. I'm going to take a bag of these chocolate chips. I'm going to melt them in the microwave. When they're melted, we're going to pour it in here, stir it up. I'm going to put these in the microwave for 30-second bursts. I'm going to stir after each time in the microwave to make sure the chocolate doesn't burn, because when it does, it's ruined. I think I'm going to call that good. I don't want to put it back in because it might scorch. That made 8 chocolate potato chip clusters. Let's give them a try. Very rich in chocolate. They're a little too much for me, to be honest. They're okay. I don't love them as much as I love the cookies. However, I know they'll get eaten because there's people in this house who will love them. I hope you'll come back to the Grocery Ninja Kitchen again, where we're making delicious food on a budget, because you should be able to eat well and not spend a fortune. Until next time.